The estranged daughter of actor Billy Bob Thorton has been found guilty of aggravated manslaughter for the October 2008 death of a friend's 1-year-old child. According to the Orange County State Attorney's Office in Florida, Amanda Brumfield, 32, was acquitted Friday, May 27, 2011 of the first-degree murder and aggravated child abuse charges she originally faced. Brumfield claimed the child, Olivia Madison Garcia, was trying to climb out of a playpen when she fell and hit her head. According to police, Brumfield waited more than 2 hours to call for help. Orange County Medical Examiner Dr. Jane Garavaglia, the same person who performed Caylee Anthony's autopsy, testified that the death of Garcia was intentional. Brumfield told investigators after the girl fell she was fine, which is why she waited so long to call 911. The trial was held in the same courthouse in Orlando where the infamous Caylee Anthony trial for the death of her 2-year-old daughter is taking place. Thornton claims he is no longer in contact with Brumfield, his eldest daughter from a previous marriage. Brumfield is expected to be sentenced in July. For more stories from Mahalo News, please visit our Facebook page or click any of the links around.